Today we will learn how to use component in React. So here you see we have two components. One is profile, and in profile we just returning an image, right? This is the source of the image and this is the name of this image. So here let's have a look, right? And in the gallery component, we export this as default. Down here, we have the title saying amazing scientist. And this is the profile component that defined on top here. So with this component, we can actually use this multiple times, not just this profile itself, right? Let's just copy this and paste it down here. Let's say there are 4 components of the profile within the gallery component, and let's see what the result look like. So here, this is the result, right? We have 4 components. These are each of the profile component, right? But one thing to note that we cannot use this, right? You can't cut it and paste it inside another component. So this is like a nested component, right? One component inside a component. You never ever do this, right? You have to define it outside of the component so that you can call it and use it within another component. That's how it works, okay? So yep, that's a very quick one, how you can define or how to use a component in React application.